This is how to quickly access bookmarks on Safari web browser. The first step is to tap on the Safari browser, which is pinned on this whole screen. All right. As the browser opens, you may find yourself on an interface that looks like this. Then tap on these three dots at the bottom right. You will see new tab, new private tab, and bookmarks as well as all tabs. Tap on that bookmarks icon, which is the open book. Then you are placed on the bookmarks, which contain favorites folder and tab group favorites. Tap on this clock icon, which is at the top right. Okay. And with this, you access the history of your browser. Alright, so these are the things I visited recently. If I want to visit Kelvin Stratvart's YouTube channel, I will tap on it. I will be taken to the place which is part of the history. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and hit the like button. Thank you and see you some other time.